the language, they completely borrow the language without changing. For example, in the Arab word, there is a word pragmatism. They call it pragmatiya. But in Iran, like we call in English oxygen, they call it oxygen. So they change the pronunciation, but there are some rules which completely borrowed without changing the pronunciation, without changing the basic structure of the language. That is the case with the Arab word. The structure and form of the language that not resist development, and language are not fixed, hard and unmoving like hard rock, but they are moving and living creature like the speakers. Linguistic identity of a region and a nation keeps on changing, and no linguistic region can claim to maintain its purity or can have independent identity. It has been an inbuilt and generic nature of every language to influence other dialect and be influenced by another language of contiguous region. There may be a difference of degree, level, nature, intensity and mechanism of impact, but language has to accept the influence of others. Kadami said language is a social phenomenon and is changed without people's realization. Man cannot change it and he can't impose it, and it has no individual approval but social approval. As intellectual influence, the thought, the news carrier and teacher influence the language. There is a strong link between language and knowledge, and language is the basic of all human interaction. No thinking is possible without language, and human knowledge and science is only possible through the medium of language. What we are doing is only possible because we have a language. Language is superior to all other disciplines and always first in sequence. Of course, language forms thoughts, and in other words, thought is only possible through language. Any invention and creation of knowledge must have a strong linguistic background, where one need is to define the particular innovation and creation. And this is the basic what we are seeing. Since any society or any part of the world which don't have any scientific infrastructure, we don't have any basic knowledge, the moment you have started borrowing the knowledge, it means you are going to borrow the language also. In this today, what we are seeing, the entire society is a kind of knowledge society, scientific society, information society, e-governance, electronic governance, e-banking, all these things. These are the concepts which are giving a new kind of social discourse. We are having a new kind of linguistic discourse also with the language. The total format of language is changing every day. And all these things coming from a particular corner of the world. Here we don't have infrastructure. The moment we borrow the knowledge, we are forced to borrow the language also, because language, any knowledge that originates from the particular language. So in that way, it's, for example, if here we have to say the e-governance. E-governance has its own concept, it has its own technicalities, it has its own dynamics. And then those parts which not have developed these kind of concept, they are all left only with single option. They have to borrow that concept. The moment you borrow the knowledge of the particular brand, then you are forced to borrow that language also. In that way, this is what language forms thought, and in other words, if you don't have thought, then you are bound to take their language. While the conventional image of communication, domination, information, science is one way, purposive, vertical, top-down model. This is intended to provide an orientation look at the whole process from a perspective of message giver, raising the question of persuasiveness, effectiveness, conversion rather than meeting basic needs. Here I would, because of the lack of the time, I will come up with some examples how this modern communication technology is affecting this Arabic language. For example, we see in the newspapers, veto, but in Arabic we call it fito. There are things which it could have been translated, but because of this translation culture, because of the work pressure, because of the quantum of the work, because of the news, everywhere this time now the fashion is 24/7. Then you have to send through that news. Then for that you are bound to basically just to translate those things. If you can't translate, you put up the same thing. For like fito, we have fito, pragmatism, we have pragmatia, and then in that way our grammar, Arabic grammar is also getting affected. Like privatization, we call it takhsis. For Kurdization, we call it takreed. So these are the things. In that way we are borrowing not only language, it also affecting our grammatical structure of the Arabic language. They have another example that there is very much influence from the English media. In the same we see in today's Arab media the use of the sentence Israel wal Palestine. This is purely a borrowing from the global media, which always use this composition to imprint the image of Israel like an independent state. Earlier this was not the case, and the same Arab media used to describe this like Philistine with Israel. We find the same thing in the use of min qibal for the English translation of the word by. There are so many things. Every day we come across a lot of mistakes, grammatical mistakes, linguistic mistakes, and all these things. This is because of the quantum, quantity, and intensity of what kind of pressure we have. We are not coping with only the language. We are coping with the intensity and the degree of information we are being forced and we are being thrust. So in that case, we are left with no time just to have to imitate them, just either to do replacement rather than translating, then we replace that word. I have a few suggestions to cope with the problem. Emerging council to monitor the language of media person should be established, which would have a constant watch on the day-to-day language of different media from electronic to print. Every Arab state should lay down a specific language policy to tackle the problem, and to begin with set up language academy consisting not of linguistic expert but also have a sociologist, scientist, psychologist and educationalist. This body would work constantly with monitoring council and would work as an advisory body of the monitoring council. There should be a proper coordination between language academy and those experts of Arabic language, and they should be assigned the task of having a strict watch on day-to-day development in the media as far as language is concerned. There should be routine meeting between newscaster and reporters from the different media and the person from language academy. There should be the provision for training session or crash course for Arabic language improvement, which would be completely devoted to the language of media. A proper curriculum should be brought out explaining the method of correct pronunciation, correct usage of Arabic words, and true replacement in terms of grammar, phonetics and vocabulary. A proper course should be started in different media institutions explaining the methodology and the rule of borrowing and correct application of the words taken from non-Arabic language, and train them to improve the pronunciation. The area of comparative linguistic studies should be expanded. A proper and comprehensive methodology should be developed for indexing, summarization and comprehension of the Arabic documents. Every Arab state should extend full cooperation to the different global body and organizations like UNESCO, which are working in the field of linguistic diversity and protection of the national language. Arab states should participate in the project of multilingual translation based on interlingua technology run by the United Nations University at Tokyo, Japan. Same efforts are being made by the Alexandria Library in Japan as well as other places. A separate academy or training center should be established for the radio newscaster, and this academy should be well aware of the day-to-day development in the field of language and have well-equipped library on the subjects. There should be a proper center to register the new entry of the words in different field of knowledge. An effort should be made to create a team of experts on usage of language, conducting a TV classes for people belonging to TV media, and with the passage of time, these classes can be